cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. This is my last resort.
Hey, what's up boys and girls, it's your boy Big B and welcome back to Brandon's World. Just want to say before I start, thank you for all your support and everything. If you're new, welcome to Brandon's World. If you really want to, subscribe. Don't have to if you don't want to. It's up to fucking you, or whatever. I've always worked with my M audio keyboard basically, and this was getting a bit old. Like, it still works fine and everything, but I basically feel like I needed an upgrade. And it's my birthday coming up soon basically, so I was like, I might just ask my mum and dad if they were giving me the money now and get something. So I ended up getting this bad boy. This bad boy. I did used to have a LaunchPad Mini. I ended up selling it though because I just never used it. But now I've got the LaunchPad Key. It's got the pads and it's got the keyboard. So I was like, yeah, fuck yeah, for £127, that's mint. They had a bigger one there for £175, which was awesome, but I haven't got the space for it, so I decided to get this one. So yeah, now we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna review it. Here we go then. First unboxing of this. I can see it. Come on. Damn. Okay, now I got to lift it up. Okay. Leave the box over there, man. Oh, here we go. So this is the actual LaunchPad. Oh god, look at that. Wow. Let's open this fucker up. Now that is a beautiful addition to the family. You also get this wire as well, what goes to your actual fucking computer. But this looks sick already. It's got full-size keys. You've got the in-control buttons, which is pretty cool. You can also change the MIDI channel, and it appears here, the MIDI channel. Also you've got your octaves, your modulation, your pitch, so I can change the actual fucking the pitch of things. But the thing what's cool about this is that it's actually got full-sized keys as well. And the thing about full-sized keys is, with me, because I have big fingers, look at the keys compared to that. I can perfectly hit the notes, but with these I have to proper ding ding, like proper fucking move my hands in an awkward position. So you've got these buttons here, and this is to go forward and backwards, I think. So you got these buttons here, and these can basically play the whole round, which is awesome. But you can also play these individually. It's pretty good so far. Got your record button. I think that's the loop button. Yeah, that's the loop button. Play, stop. You can change from scenes, which is awesome. But these as well, you have a control button where you can switch to, instead of being in control of the pads and everything, you can switch to over so you're in control of the actual software. So you can change stuff around, and like it says, pan and send, and use sends. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's just simple and easy, and this is the Novation LaunchKey 25 keys. So yeah, it's just a great feel. It doesn't feel like I have to force my hands into stupid poses. It just feels like a normal piano. Also, I forgot to say, it has a sustain pedal input. Also, it's obviously got the power input, a lock, and also the USB. Okay, now that's all installed, let's actually fucking plug this in. There we go. It's plugged in. Did a cool little thing there. Obviously you can see everything. Actually no, you can't. You can see everything changing on there. Like the thingies and everything. That's pretty cool. So yeah, let's open up fucking Ableton and let's see what we can actually do. Okay, so what you're going to do is go up to options, go down to preferences, link Midi, and it's actually already done it for me. Right guys, so I've actually fucking figured it out. Now I can go. And as you can tell, they're actually, listen to. Let's actually get some beats going. So the keys are also really good. Like, check out the velocity. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review and unboxing, and maybe you'll get one. I don't know. Maybe you'll be jamming away on your key game station. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you are. Anyway, I hope I've helped. Thanks for watching, and see you later.